So one of my hobbies is 3D modelling. My 3D printing journey started with the ROG Ernhike, where I helped model the backplate for a battery mod for it. Since then I've worked on a lot of projects, but I've also made a couple of other little things here and there. So that's why I'm starting a new series on this channel called Printed Projects, where I'm going to show you certain models and printed things that I've made and how to make them and where to get the files and how they work. I'm still going to be making other videos on handheld mods and things like that, and this is a bit of a fun side project for me. So for the first project in this series, I want to find a way to store these SD cards. If you're anything like me, you're in the hobby of these handheld consoles. You've probably also collected a bunch of these, and a side effect of that is we have a lot of micro SD cards laying around. I don't really have a problem with letting these roam around my desk, but with how AI is making the prices of these skyrocket, I thought it's probably best that I have a way to store these properly. So I did some brainstorming, like how can I store these in a way that's a little bit cool, over-engineered, and something that I would find fun to model. So what I'm thinking is if we have a circular dispenser with a slot in it where each time you want one, you can remove an SD card, just twist the inside bit, and then dispense another one when it's in the slot. So let's go model this up and see how it goes. One thing I like to have my models be is printable without any supports, and also any assembly required does not need glue or anything. I do all of my modelling in Fusion 360, and this project took about 2 hours to model from start to finish. I've made 3 different versions of this. There's a vine pattern, a flower pattern, and a blank one. I'm printing this at 15% infill density with the gyroid pattern, and that's on my Bambu Labs A1 Mini with the smooth plate and a standard nozzle and layer height. So in total the print is going to take about 1 hour and 8 minutes, so let's hit print and then I can go assemble it. So first you have the bottom shell, and then the middle wheel, and then the top shell. You also get a small clip, and finally the little stopper part. So these are the 3 versions that I made. There's a vine pattern, a flower pattern, and a blank one for if you don't want a pattern on it. First you want to insert the clip into the wider part of the opening on the bottom shell. And then slide it up to lock it in place. The next step is just to place the wheel on top of the bottom shell. And then you can put the stopper in the opening on the wheel. Finally just place the top shell on top of that, and you should see the keys where it will line up. And then just press and the clip should click into place. And that's how easy the assembly of this model is. Once it's stuck in place, all you need to do is apply a little bit of force and it will unlock and you should be able to rotate it freely. And then to load it, all you need to do is rotate it until there's an opening, and then you can place an SD card in, and then just repeat that, rotate it and put another SD card in. I'm really proud of how this model came out. It looks nice, it's easy to put together, and it holds up to 8 SD cards. I also really like the locking function because that means I can't lose any SD card. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any ideas for any future projects for this series, please let me know and I'll add it to the list. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!